Why are you mad? Why are you mad? What's that? Oh, you said being gone? Oh, yeah, go outside, I can tell. Yeah, kaloku uyagowa khona le nto etyayo awundizafanela kakubuze ke sana because uyagowa nyhani. It's actually both of them, my nigga. Since obviously you're insinuating the coffee, I feel like you're the one that's going through the most right now. Uyamuruka, jonga usuvuma, but usuvuma. Don't allow it. It's like so how are you doing? You're good. I'm fine. When right away. Great, boss, I am. Bruh, I'm supposed to be there. Up here, she legit. Well, really. Finally submitted in this college. She's coming back next week, so I couldn't come there. Sad. I will long ngiyacabanga ukuthi no 2 months ke nje beshaya mina bengenza isitawuthi ngazihlaba ngibona ukuthi umithi ebekhanda mina nje. But yeah, I think that's what happened. Mawusu ne-photocopy nje emva kwakho uthi into yakho. Hayi, yeah. Asolo kufuna umntana aphi. Why but no yafana bro. No, but like, honestly like ngiyafana dude, honestly. Well, like, obviously silinde yona manje kudala silinde. Ephuma apha enimabhongo. Kaloku silinde lona lo ngoku. Andizakwazi le phone yakujika ngeza uqalile nezinto zakhe zingabhadlanga apha. Manje ubhadla apha. Khave. Hayibo ukuluphisana lami. Aphiwe khona umntana ifoni ufuna uthetha naye. Angisana phone. Itheni? Ukhanda bekistawode noma kwasejani? To be a position, I'll be izolo. Benthetha naye, ayikho ndayithethayo. Aphiwe no. Aphiwe no. That's not how we roll. Ngicela ukuthi ngisho imali ingekho senza show ukuthi bakhona. So you don't do that. Yeah, clock it. That's how it's supposed to be. Phela wena usuyoshaya ngoplug. Engazi ukuthi uhlezi unawo. Hayibo khawuncede uaphiwe mona mosiba uyi-man in need. Oh bethuna. Akumadoda amadoda mawanganidi izinto sibe sikhona bethuna. Joga. See man. Angithandi bethuna ngoaphiwe. Oh. Ndiyacela bethuna. Makwenziwe iplan eshushu. Xa kunyanzeleke uba yaqonda i-donations. Oh bethuna uyayiqonda. Sana. Andinokwazi uba ndibe lapha ndibe right. Yeah. Yeah. Kwenzani? Kuthena ngesinye isikhathi yazi uma unomlamleli uyena oka asususizi empilweni yakho ngoba mina kuma wengane ngabe mina-ke ngiyangenelela kodwa ngoba mina awungitshelanga ngizwe hayi badlanga afike ukuxeleleka suhamba when you are are you going to wiping also? Oh my God.
Thank you, Rambo.
Papa? Okay, Mala.
I'm gonna contact you when I'm done.
No problem, Gisana Sam. Please make sure that you guys are safe. I will surely wait for you guys, okay? Love you, Papa.
Love you.
Sure, Papa. Hi again. Babe, I was sent to the one. Yo. Shame on abantu. Yo.
Yeah.
Akahambe namhlanje. Siredo umxesha.
Yeah.
Ndiya.
Ikusasa ngithule
Akazukuya ke sasa. Usho ndazi sasa?
Angimazi.
Uthe kusasa she has to go back early in the morning.
Kuphi lentuzane yakhe. Oh.
So ndithini simpakisha lami kodwa azi kanjani. Habona nakenye iqhuba idriki. Yo ngizokunyela wena. Ngizakubonisa. Amasende enyoka. Hayibo ukulive yini? Hawe ma. Asimgcosing nabantu hawe. Okay, but no problem. Okay, just come through. It's okay then. I'm just sad that you had to waste so much money. Gesana for all this. So what you gonna do? You're gonna take a taxi. You're gonna go back to town, take a taxi to London.
7 slice.
Yeah.
Actually 8.
I guess it's that right. Baba mabusisa mina namhlanje ngiyacela ngobusa letobeko
Ambodla sibonga.
Hi Sibonga. Ubani yazi bra I hate the number. Hello. For sake. And yes,
Wenza lezi zinto now at your work. So you can't say for sec. You can't.
From the yes,
no.
And I'm very rude in the yes. And I can't even understand that they're also doing their work.
Yeah, you're gonna have a bad day.
Obani, I literally called back and that get to say you're not gonna drop a call on me.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you doing?
I want to record right now, my cousin.
I'm not being rude. I'm just telling him that right now I'm doing my work and you're not gonna like Nancy. If I was being rude and come back to don't call me, I was like, I for 10. That is being rude. But I'm gonna tell you, Gabush, I'm approaching in a very nice way. So you're not gonna drop a call on me. Right now I'm doing my job, which obviously it's also gonna help you. Otherwise you're gonna cancel your account. Which means it's like the phone meaning I said walk. Yeah, boy. So I'm not being rude. It's like that. But look, day one show me. Uzorvine zibhatala nini? Ndizabhatala namhlanje. Aphinde ndibuze ngomso uzambhatala nini? Hayi ngiyajika ke. Huh? Jonga.
Yikes. What's
Iqhawukile ibrace yami.
Ayikho mhlawumbe. Ayikho mhlawumbe.
Andiva noyiva.
Oh, guys, I'm salty. Yo.
Andibala qala. Abo manje inhliziyo yami ivuleke nje.
Yo. Kanjani man?
Ungibekela.
Uyakwazi nawe uyibekela ngene. Nawe usho njani ngene?
Hawe ma esedakwa. Hey.
So yeah.
Into engizomenza yona. Okay.
Oh. Ngisuthi.
Do you remember me? Oh, sangikhumbula.
Ngishayile lapha edrink. Usofuna ukukhuluma lokho futhi.
Ungiveza.
Bathanda ukuveza. Hayibo.
Ha busungivezile nje.
Hlahla phela. Hazi,
Ayibona nje secomplain. Hayibona singavaleki. Awema,
shosh.
Ayibo kade umkhabotheni lona bethuna. Why mna? Ayibo bethuna.
Musoyifasa kuleyo gcina nawe fasa.
Hayi ngifuna ukugcina ndifuna ibambe Chomi. Ndifuna xa yabo ngoku ndizotya ngoku. Ndifuna ku isivanda. Because kaloku wena uyandixaka xa ithindo yakho. Because ukhulula njani ibhanti wazi uba uzotya ukutya. Ukutya kanti kuzoyapha akuzubuya eswini. Because kufanele ubambe ngelo xesha.
Beke. Ngeke.
And le albambi leli guys so elami lithi ngibamba data set.
Sendivasile. So, Vasile nangabe sleepwear.
In your dreams.
Excuse me.
Athi
Yaxoka ukahlambi. Ndihlambile, hayibo. Ngihlakanipho uthi hi. Lo music lo TikTok lo zamenza scary. Ayi. Vele ngiskiphe mina video.
Hayi hlaka, uMhlaka Chomi.
Inhlakanipho, angimazi.
Oh, akuyena uMhlaka uMagubane.
Yena Magubane.
Magubane.
Bala.
Ukuthi uyena Magubane qeda ukuthi
No, uyisebe ngoNhlakanipho Magubane.
Uyena Magubane ayisikho
Bala Magubane.
Magubane unganothabisa ma.
Lo.
Okay, fine njalo kodwa.
Ya Magubane. Oh, kodwa ungibingelelanga mina so okay, sharp. Say hi to say hi to Sesethu for me.
Magubane yona ngicela ibhoza yami leya. Razo. Wow, I'm so sharp.
Thank you, Caesar. Hi, Tep. Yo, hase ngafrati. Mnandi. Hase ngafana neyinkinga zami.
Asamen. Whoa.
Angikwazi udance.
Chomi, what are you doing this color? What the hell?
Bathayelo. Mina ngeke ngistika kwamakhala nje hot.
For me,
Baba.
which one is the best here?
No him. I use that one. Leo mina Leo. And Mendy's I use Mendy's. But Lane is to with the pink trickle. It's violet, it's pink.
Yes.
Yeah. I use that one. First bitch ever. Yeah, she learned earlier in Kaza.
For both your coconuts.
Yeah. Okay. I used to use laces and the pink one. Which is the first one. I think of it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Not the blue one. Yes, sir. 40. Yes, that. Yeah, the pink one. I used to use that one. And then I found women now right. I said, "Women again." Yeah, she women. Yeah, this will last for 2 months.
Tommy, I wanna buy makeup as well. What's so cute and powder?
Pizza. Hello, my baby. Hello. Who's that? I can't never look at the watch. You? What's that mood?
Yeah.
What brand do you use?
Huh?
What brand do you use?
I was gonna use Maybelline or Fit Me.
If it never would like to turn now.
Oh, because I'm going to it fix it. Oh, but I fix it. Most of my things it's in it fix it. A lot of them so I'm sense.
Eh, lalela wena uclicks. Aziclicks kufanele ngeke umbukela phansi.
And you
No, as in like have a proper budget for it.
It's fine.
Show me, not me going that clicks need. Oh my god, actually I'm going to spend 300 rand. I go imagine I go 500. I was like
300 rand for what?
I was like, no, I wanted to add the essentials. Like not essentials, like you toiletry. You were now. And I think what I hate about clicks, kuna lo buy one get one, no buy two. You think of this high? No buy for two. That clicks show me. Like who's again? Like it's so my facial soap. On the one disabled, one thing I want, it's buy two. How much do you spend on your toiletries?
That's okay, bro.
That's okay.
That's not as bad.
That is an additional of what? Like your senses are
My sense, my face, things, and my sanitary things.
Yeah. No, that's okay actually.
Bye guys.
Because ngiyawahlukanisa. Ngiyahlukanisa same ngithenga somewhere else.
What's in it?
Show me, I'm gonna contact you later, ba?
Okay, be safe. Shout out my baby.
Alright, baby.
Love you more.
Khanditsho nami bangena ngoku mna bendi-live like ekuseni for like 2 hours wena ubuphi nayizolo I was live for like 6 hours I think wena ubuphi so ngene so nje awunalo ilungelo lokuloku ngitshela ukuthi ngingalali ngenxa yokuthi awushongo ukuthi ngilo awushongo ukuthi ngingakhi so nje mbina please Diyosela goed. Ekuseni bendilala kaloku namanje ngibalala ke namanje ngibalala ngitsho balala andishongo hi fine shit anditshonga nambalala bendina data namanje ngiba sungabi na data ngathi zinetso izinto ezibalayo ngoku njengoba nawe ungatshonga uba ndihluthi nam anditshonga uba songabi na data
ayifile lo ngana ngafanga lo
andikulwi
akoludaba lo
lekhathini
Awunje? Awuzonamanzi ngani?
Blackout yini? Blackout le.
Hayi bad le. Because bakhona nje abavulayo. Traumatized.
All right. I'm sorry. I'm going to cry. I kahle bo June kahle. Oh man. But yeah, man, I'll be live later on because manje ngiyazela ngempela. But yeah, as soon as I wake up, collect. Ngizoba live.
They're clear. Take the shot.
Bye, guys.